Hello, welcome to Natty's Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, except for today we are not doing crafting. I am actually just going to take a quick moment to recognize my late husband, Tim. He passed away 5 years ago Sunday, and it's been a rough month for me, honestly, a very rough month. And this past week has been the worst it's been in a long time. And you know, when you lose someone, it's tough, of course. And when you lose someone that you're so close to and live your daily life in and out with every moment of your life, it's even tougher. And I have grown quite a bit and I have moved forward quite a bit. I am in a relationship now, and, you know, I love him and he loves me and everything's great. But that doesn't diminish my love for my late husband. He was everything I needed him to be. And I still miss him dearly. And so June is tough for me because it's that anniversary. And I go through and I think about the things that we could have done differently. But, you know, God has a plan for all of us. And so I am just, you know, thriving on the idea that God's plan for me will be something that I can be proud of and enjoy. I am currently enjoying my life thoroughly, mostly because my late husband and I set ourselves up to be debt-free. And so I am still 100% debt-free. I am very happy to own my home cash and my car cash. And so the only things I pay for are your basic utilities, you know, water, electric, car insurance, home insurance, those types of things. And so that part I'm very happy with, and I'm very happy that my late husband and I worked so hard to not have to get a mortgage, a big mortgage on that house that burned down. And while I certainly wish that we didn't buy that house, again, God has a plan. So I'm just going to go with his plan. So I just wanted to take a minute. I don't know why I'm sharing this. I don't know that any of you care, but I just wanted to share this and just take a minute. So just take a minute and appreciate my life and all of those who are in my life, all of my loved ones, and even my little dog and my little cat. My cat is sitting with me, as is my dog. My dog is sitting next to me, and my cat is in my lap, so there's that. And I just, you know, I appreciate them, and I appreciate everyone around me. I appreciate my wonderful job, everything. You know, I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful in my life right now, and I just couldn't do a craft today, though. I just couldn't do a craft. So next week, hopefully I'll be back, and hopefully I'll have a craft for y'all to watch and try to enjoy. I thank you so much for stopping by today. And go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I don't know what kind of comment you would leave, but go ahead and do it anyway. And I just wish you the very best. And always remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.